Folks, got a special treat for you today for today's video. Well, the old lady said that she needed, what'd you need? Some washing powder, right?
Washing powder,
Yeah.
Cleaner, detergent.
Okay.
Dami honey.
So, she was gonna run to the store. I said, no, I'm gonna order that shit from S&R. S&R is on time when it comes to that Grab Mart, like Robinson's that I've been ordering. They never have anything in stock. Sometimes it's not accurate, but and it takes forever. S&R, they are Johnny on the spot.
Honey, why you not try the
Always.
Lala delivery?
Okay, listen. Do you understand? I'm trying to make an award-winning, world-famous YouTube video. So S&R is on time. Now, they weren't on there before, but they are now. Whatever I order, it's in stock. It's on the way. The last time the dude canceled my order for whatever reason, I guess he couldn't put all the stuff on a Scooby-Doo Mio. So the guy at S&R said, hey sir, this driver canceled your order, just reorder because we got it ready to go. I just clicked, reordered it, and boom, the second guy could fit it on his scooter. So for today's video, we're doing a challenge. We're going to take bets on this. Can a Grab Mart driver fit, I hope that focuses in, a case of San Mig Light, and how many kilos is that? 10 kilo bucket. A 10 kilo bucket of washing powder and a case of San Mig Light. Can they pull it off? What do you think, baby? What do you think? You think the Kuya can fit a 10 kilogram bucket of washing powder and a 24 pack? A 24 pack of San Mig Light. I mean, listen, I can do it. I can fit it on there with 2 carts of groceries. I can do it. This is what they do for a living, and a lot of them can't do it. I'm going to do a block of instruction for all Grab motorbike drivers to show them how to maximize space on a motorbike. Because I did it for years. I did it for years and years in Thailand, shopping with a motorbike or a bicycle. I mean, I could put a cart full of stuff on a bicycle. I can show you how to do that. But on a motorbike, I can put 2 carts full of stuff. I guarantee you, I did it for years. And these guys ain't figured it out. They need a block of instruction. So for today's challenge, baby, it's a challenge. I'm fixing to put the order in right now. 10 kilo bucket of members value powder for 819 pesos and 1,088 pesos for a 24 pack of San Mig Light in the cans. Now what I'm thinking about doing is adding oh, that's a great idea. I'm going to add a dozen eggs onto this order. I'm going to tell you right now, I got to put some eggs on there because that's going to be the challenge. I mean, how the hell is he? Oh my goodness. Sometimes I just entertain myself. I mean, I'm entertaining myself, and I said, you know what? Give me the camera. Maybe you, the viewer, will find this entertaining and also intriguing. Because if you're going to move here, well, you're going to find yourself sitting in the same chair as I, and your Filipino wife comes in and says, hey, we're out of washing powder. Give me money. Boom! When a Filipino says to me, give me money, I go deaf for 30 minutes. It's a natural physiological response, at least in my body. I can't hear for 30 minutes. I can't communicate with her. So she came in here. I need washing powder and cleaner. Because big shout out to my buddy Warner. Now, this place here comes with a washing machine, and the washing machine was on the fritz. Warner don't play around. He just went out and bought a brand new one. You know what I mean? And that's the type of landlord he is, and he's a great friend. Oh my goodness. I mean, we didn't ask him to. I was like, hey man, can you have your guy check it? I think it just, have a small issue. He's like, that thing's old. Boom, pulls the trigger on a brand new washing machine. So Fatima was on my ass about hanging up a new clothesline. because the 550 cord that we bought, the parachute cord that we bought, I got it off Lazada. It's not legit. It's just cheap Chinese stuff, and it don't last very long with the sun and the rain and the elements, and it just gets to the point you can pull on it and it'll break. So she needed a new rope, and she actually, looks like she's already got the damn thing installed out there. She got her a rope today. We got a new wash machine, and so she's ready to go handle business. Anyhow, comes in here. I need cleaner. I need washing powder. Give me money. I said, hell no. I'm ordering big. I'm going big from S&R. And then for some reason, this is what it says, and I'm gonna put it on the screen because y'all don't believe me, right? Y'all probably won't believe me, but it says, it's in the section that says for you. It's obviously a recommended, right? Now, I've never ordered washing powder before, but it has washing powder and a case of beer. I'm like, damn, this thing reads my mind. It's a mind reading app. So there you go. I'm about to pull the trigger. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do it right now, but I gotta get my old man glasses on to do it. I'm gonna pull the trigger, and the time is 1:23 p.m. and we're gonna see A, does the order keep getting canceled by the drivers, or B, does some what's the word I'm looking for? Resourceful Grab Mart driver figure out how to put that bucket on there in that case of beer. Because I can do it. I promise you I can do it. I've done it before. I went to the equivalent of Home Depot and bought 5-gallon buckets of paint and everything else and rolled in. I got pictures. I'll have to dig them up off the hard drive. I don't think I posted any of that. It can be done. You just have to be resourceful and a little bit crafty about how you secure it. And no, I'm not screwing with their safety. If they put it on there right, it's no problem. They can handle the load. Here we go. We're gonna do the test. All right, it's in the basket. Should I put the eggs in there? and if they all show up here broke, I'm not penalizing anybody. Okay. But whoever designed the app, you know that they're delivering this stuff via motorbike. So there has to be some forward thought that if you're going to put products on here like a 10-kilo bucket of washing powder, well, the customer doesn't care how it gets here. And if all your drivers get together and say, hey, we can't carry that, well, maybe you need to exclude it from the app. See how that works? It's called logic. Ooh, I need a bottle of liquor to go with it. Hold on, let me finish this and I'm going to tell you the final order. Alright folks, I upped the ante. It's probably going to get canceled. Part of this little exercise, and I've sent correspondence to Grab, is like, look, if I call for a car to go to S&R, it'll be here in 5 minutes. There's cars, there's 6-seaters, there's plenty of vehicles roaming around here. So if you go to Grab Mart and you order these products and it's too much for a motorcycle driver, they shouldn't accept it and cancel it. It should just default over to the guy driving the car or driving the van. There's a flaw in your system here. Maybe you're working on it. But I'm the customer. If I want to order some items, I don't want to hear a motorbike driver tell me he can't put it on the Scooby-Doo Mio. You have cars everywhere sitting idle. If you can pick me up and take me there and I get my groceries and bring me back, the logic says you can go there and get the damn groceries and bring to me without me being in the vehicle. That's the purpose of this drill, all right? I've upped the ante. I'm going with a bottle of Fireball whiskey, cinnamon whiskey, and some Downy. The old lady came in here and hustled me for some more stuff. That's what she does. Keeps adding to it. But then she said, Marcos, that's not nice. That's too much. It's not my problem, Grab. If you were just a motorbike delivery service, it would be different. There are 4-wheel vehicles riding all around me that can go over there and pick up that 10-kilo bucket of washing powder if the motorbike guy can't fit it on a Scooby-Doo Mio. It's 2022. You can figure this shit out. Trust me. A little bit of programming, I can figure this out. I figured it out for you. Just get the programmers over in India to click, 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 and a dango computer, and put Boomhauer in charge and figure this shit out. Here we go. Boom! Placed order, 1:28 p.m. Processing. Sir, your credit card has been declined. Ooh. Just joking. Let's see what happens. All right, you're packing your order. And again, I'm not telling you how to spend your money, but in all my experiences with Robinsons, expect a phone call from Robinsons. So what I would do, if I need laundry detergent, I will order 3 different types of brands or 3 different sizes, and probably 2 are out of stock and they'll send 1. And then if you do that on all the items, you stand more of a chance of getting it delivered to you. But most of the time they're calling, sir, 8 items out of stock. Like, come on. They'll substitute it, but it takes time. You're like, okay, substitute it for this. SNR, click, 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 boom, it's on the way. I just had the one issue with the dude canceling because it was a case of beer and he can't figure out how to put a damn case of beer on Scooby-Doo Mio. Brothers, it can be done. All right, I'm on a hair trigger. I'll update you as soon as I hear something. What y'all think? You gonna cancel? Or is that shit gonna show up at my door? And if it does, I'll give the gentleman a healthy tip because he figured it out. Not because it's heavy because he figured it out. He's was presented with the problem and he said, I can figure that out. I can solve that problem. Again, I'm not asking these guys to do anything that I haven't done for 10 years, a decade of living in Thailand, owning nothing but a bicycle and a motorbike. Okay, folks, just got a notification here. Now the question is, did he cancel or is he on the way?
I don't know. Honey, I'm so haggard.
Yeah, you're definitely haggard. But what do you think?
Yeah.
They either canceled it or he's on the way. Which do you think?
Cancel.
The Kuya's on the way, baby. Now, folks, I'm excited. This dude's almost here. I'm proud of him. Most of them would cancel it out, but I think his name Jeff. Big shout out to my man Jeff, dude. Thanks for bringing it. Now my old lady can wash clothes and restock my beer ref. All because of you, my friend. Oh, by the way, bring me a bottle of Fireball whiskey and some Downy. I forgot to put the eggs, but I already got confidence. I could have put eggs and he'd have brought them eggs too. You got it figured out. That's your job. Figure it out. Solve the problems and the issues. Here we go. Awesome, man. I love your top case there. Perfect. So you got the case of beer. Sit right there, buddy. That's perfect for a pizza or a case of beer. Yeah. And then you fit the bucket in there. Awesome, my friend. Awesome. That is too cool. Thank you very much. Hey, man. Thank you very much, Jeff. Thank you so much. Too cool. There you go, old girl. Tote that back there and then come get my case of beer. Come on now, this whiskey bottle's heavy. Baby, how can I hold a camera and a case of beer at the same time? Just make one more trip and help me out here. Hey, I told y'all. Ah, Lord, see the stress I'm under here. This camera, holding an iPhone and a case of beer. Baby, I'm gonna tell you right now, if I hurt my back over this, I'm calling the brun guy on you. Now, Jeff has the right setup on the back and he's able to carry all this stuff, but a lot of guys would cancel this order. They wouldn't be able to figure it out. But there you go. Awesome. When you get done using the laundry detergent, don't throw away that bucket. That's a good chicken house. Okay?
Thank you.
And what I need for you to do right now is bring me a Coke with a glass of ice and some Fireball whiskey, and then load up that in the ref so they're nice and cool. Folks, she's in there grumbling, but I did my part. I carried the Fireball whiskey into the kitchen. You know, I got to go back to video editing.